the challenges that were there previously are being addressed through the policy, through the regulations and the bills that we are going to come up with. And that's why if those who are fearing that there's going to be, say, sale of blood, I don't think that is now going to happen, because there will be regulations, there will be laws that will curb such kind of acts. And that's assurance that we are assuring the members of the public that they need not to worry, they need to come forward to donate blood so that we are all safe.
If you can imagine yourself, one day you're in that situation, you need blood, or your family member needs blood, then we'd be donating more blood, because we keep looking at the blood issue that it's somebody far off, somebody who we don't know. But we need to personalize this issue, that if you're in a situation where you or your loved one needed blood and you needed to keep rallying for that blood call, then it would be a lot of headache. But if we each took a personal initiative and we become repeat blood donors, then we'd be able to solve the problem of blood in our country.